everyone. If you were wondering how to get to posting your assignments, I prepared this short video. So if you go to your home page of your course and then move down to modules, for instance, module 1 that is due tomorrow at noon, you would see that I added an item that says reading materials on perusal so that you'd be able to go in and check out what you have to read. This is where your articles would be. But then if you go back to module 1, you also have the blog where you click here and you would get to the different entries that you can put in for the blog. More concretely though, for the assignment that you have for tomorrow, assignment number 1, here are the instructions, and then if you kind of go over with your mouse over the title of the assignment, you see that the little hand activates. That means that you can click on it, and when you click on it, you see how many points it's worth, when the due date is, and submission. So you can either click here and write your submission, but like I said before, what I recommend is that you write something on Word and then just copy and paste it here, or even you can go to browse local files and then upload a file that you may have on your own desktop. I think that's the safest way. And that's pretty much what you have to do for homework.